Hello and welcome to Fun Fitness video number 17. In today's class, we'll start with a warm-up, followed by some exercise, and finally, we'll play some fun games. Let's get started with the warm-up. Warm-up number 1, we will follow Mr. O. Just remember to keep the action up for 30 seconds. So step 1, we go onto our knees. Step 2, we put our bum onto our heels. Step 3, we stretch forward and hold this pose for 30 seconds. Now let's take a look at warm-up pose number 2. Remember to keep the pose up for 30 seconds. Step 1, onto your bum. Step 2, open your legs as wide as you can. Now you put your hands in 3 different areas. One's in front of you, one in the middle, and one at the end. Keep doing this for 30 seconds. It's warm-up 3 time. Follow along with Mr. O. Step 1, onto your knees. Step 2, hands under your shoulders and lift your bum. And now hold this position for 30 seconds. Let's take a look at our final warm-up. For this, step 1, we go onto our knees. Step 2, hands under our shoulders. Step 3, we bring our foot up into the sky. So every time, change over. Keep it up for 30 seconds. Great job everyone! Now that we're warm, we can start to exercise. Today's instructions are the same as last week. We will exercise for 30 seconds, so try your best, and then you will have a 20-second break to drink some water and have a rest. Let's get started with our first exercise. It's called arrow point. So copy the action on the screen and keep it up for 30 seconds. Good luck! Great job! Now rest for 20 seconds. Get ready, our next exercise is jumping jacks. Jump like Mr. O for 30 seconds. Fantastic! Have a few sips of water, take some deep breaths, and get ready for the next exercise. In exercise number 3, we're going to climb the ladder. So copy Mr. O. It looks like he's pulling himself up a ladder. Keep it up. Wonderful effort. It's time for our rest, so you know what to do. Have some water and some deep breaths. Get your heart rate down and ready for the next exercise. The final exercise is jumping squats. So you need to bend all the way down and then jump up into the sky. Keep this up for 30 seconds. Well done for finishing all of the exercises. Now you can pause the video, drink some water and get your air back. When you return, we will play some fun games. Today's game is all about sack races. So, this is what you will need. Firstly, some beacons or bottles that you can use, and then a bag, like a shopping bag or something that you can jump inside. Challenge 1 is very easy. All you need to do is jump forwards and backwards. It's like practice. Then you can move on to challenge 2. This one's a bit more difficult. Hop over the objects you are using as beacons. Try not make them too high or it will be very difficult. Then try challenge 3. This time you need to hop like a zigzag in between the objects you've put down on the ground. All of this is great practice for our race. So now you can get ready to race Mr. O. See if you can do his challenge faster than him. He has placed 3 toys down on one side of the room. He hops in his bag, puts the toy inside the bag, and then brings it back to the start. He will do this 3 times. See if you can go faster than him. Could you go faster than 35 seconds? That brings us to the end of this video. We will see you again soon. Goodbye.